this is Tanu. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful silk thread bangles. I already made so many silk thread bangles. I will leave the tutorial video link in description. Actually, I made this bangle for Onam festival, so I created it in white and golden theme. Let's see how I made it. Now I'm going to share a material list. First we need a silk thread and square kundan stone, round kundan stone, 4 10mm bangles and 8 2mm bangles, glue and scissors. Let's start. First I'm taking a diary. You can take any notebook or exam pad, and then I'm taking a silk thread. I will leave the materials link that I used in this video in description. Make 20 strands as shown. Now I'm going to secure it with a glue. I'm using a fabric glue. Now I'm going to cut it in center using a scissor. Ta-da! Our thread strip is ready. Now I'm going to stick this in a bangle. For that I'm taking a 10mm bangle. Use the glue to stick it in a bangle. In the end, secure it with a glue and cut the remaining thread. Repeat the same step for other half. Let's stick the kundan stones. For that I am taking a square kundan stone. Now I am going to stick this in a center line. For top and bottom line, I am going to stick the stones in between the center line stones. Our beautiful bangle is ready. Let's make other 3. Next I'm taking a 2mm bangles. For that I'm taking a white thread strip. Again I'm using a glue to stick the thread in a bangle. Repeat the same steps. In the end, secure it with a glue and cut out the remaining thread. I will leave the materials link that I used in this video in description. Let's stick the stones. For that I am using a square kundan stone and a small size round kundan stones. First I am sticking a square stone in a center and then I am going to stick the round kundan stone as a 3 dot in both sides. If you guys don't have a time to make this all, no worries guys, we got your back. You can place an order in Instagram or WhatsApp us. I will leave the order details in description. And also we have an amazing collections of customized gifts in our Instagram page. I will leave the Instagram page link in description guys. So go and check it out. Let's make 7 other bangles like this. Let's arrange the bangles. Tada! Our beautiful bangle is ready. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys try this out, don't forget to share this to my Instagram. Thanks for watching. Bye.